Hello, everybody, and welcome to the new office. That's right, we are finally set up in the new digs, and that means I can finally set up the Govee lights that Govee sent me a few weeks ago. We have the Govee Neon Rope Light, as you can see right here. Very cool. Got some cool, neat little things we can do with that. And we also got the Govee Outdoor Strip Light Pro. This is, I think, 10 meters? 10 meters. 10 meters of smart LED lighting. Thanks to our friends at Govee, who sent these out to us. So I've just spent the day, well, not the day, didn't take very long at all. I've just spent some time setting up the Govee lights here. We have the outdoor lights, the LEDs, the 10 meters of strip lighting here. And we have the rope light just here. So it's been a long time since we've had some smart lighting here. I've been looking forward to setting up something that's a little bit more interactive than what we've had previously. And that is that these lights can be controlled by Twitch chat with simple commands. They can change it to pretty much any color they'd like. And we can even get to the point of doing some things like this is police lights. So very cool. Very easy to set up. We are using the Lumia stream. So it did not take long to set up. The lights themselves, you just pretty much plug them in, download the Govee app onto your smart device, and then it pretty much found it almost immediately. You sync it up with your Wi-Fi. You then go ahead and update any firmware and update anything that you need to update, and then pretty much just go jump on the PC, and then Lumia Stream is what uses to speak to Twitch chat. You can set up a connection to Govee through that and program all the different lighting and stuff that you'd want to do from there. So it's very simple, very easy to do. A couple of cool things that Govee has in their app, which I haven't seen in any other kind of smart lighting apps. I'm sure there's ones that exist, but just the ability to take a picture. You can take a photo of what you've drawn with your rope light, and then you can literally with your finger just color in the sections and just design whatever kind of cool and wonderful lighting and solution that you want to do, which is just really neat, not gonna lie. Yeah, I was super impressed with all the features that you can do without even integrating it into doing the sort of the smarter stuff. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think in terms of the quality of lighting and how much light you get, the rope light's definitely the standout in that it's the quality of the light is crazy. That being said, if you need a lot of light and a lot of range, then just your LED strip, your standard one is the way to go. And the fact that you can get a 10 meter long strip ready to go, which again, just plug and play and program so easily. Very cool, very impressive sort of thing. So these are now all connected up to my Twitch chat. They can now change things by just doing, like, if they go !green, for example, it will then change to green, just like that. We can also program it so that if you do have like a sub or a follower or a raid and so on, we can then change the lights and do things through that as well. But yeah, in terms of lights, I've had a fair few different types and brands over the years. I've never had anything this easy, straight out of the box and quick to set up, and even quicker to integrate into Twitch chat before. So really, really excited to see what other things we can do with this light setup. And a huge thank you to Govee for looking after me and sending out the lights and working with me on that. We have got an affiliation link below. I'm going to continue working with Govee. I'm more than happy with what we've gotten from them. And I know that there's other cool products that they've got, not just ones that were on show at PAX Australia last year, but if you have a look at their website, you'll see they've got quite a range of very, very fun lighting solutions. And I feel like we could do more. We could definitely do more. If you want to see them working in the live space, come visit me and stream and do an exclamation mark, whatever color you like. If you feel like maybe red is your color, then the exclamation mark red will bring you to the red side, so to speak. Yeah, see how it works and get excited. But yeah, thanks again, Govee, for sending out these lights here. There'll be links to their product pages in the description below. Again, super wrapped with how easy these were to set up and how quickly it was to program them. By far a fantastic experience, and I don't say that very often when we talk about integrating things with Twitch chat. So thanks again, and be sure to check out the links below. Oh, that's too fast. There you go. How cool's that?